Hi guys, Yan Sikorski here again. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, like as usual, let's try to see how my previous ideas is work out. Euro dollar. In euro dollar, as I said yesterday, I was pretty bullish on euro dollar, and I said it was nice opportunity to take a long trade, and the first target will be around 1.12. As you can see, price hit my first target in this currency pair. Pound USD. In the pound USD, yesterday price was inside of the range. I said if price was an impulsive movement for an impulsive breakout of this consolidation, then pullback, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long trade, and your first target in this case will be around 1.26. As you can see, price hit my first target in this case. Canadian dollar, I said I expect some sort of pullback in terms of this down movement, and I expect pullback from 1.35 until 1.3550. As you can see, price hit my first target in this case. So Australian dollar, I expect bigger pullback, honestly. Unfortunately, price not going down until 0.6815. But anyway, I said I'm pretty bullish in Australian dollar. As you can see, price going up yesterday in Australian dollar. Gold. Yesterday gold was in some sort of consolidation. Triangle is also consolidation, and as I said, if price was an impulsive movement break this triangle, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. As you can see, price formed bearish breakout of this triangle. That's why it was entry points for the short. In this case, my first target was around 1720. As you can see, price hit my first target too. Oil. In oil, I said I expect some sort of pullback until 35.80, and then entry points for the long. As you can see, price from pullback until my price zone, and then going up, as I said yesterday. That's why I can say this idea worked pretty perfectly yesterday. S&P 500. I said I'm bullish on S&P 500, and I recommended you long this instrument. I said price should be formed some sort of pullback until 30.60. It will be and then reversal model will be a nice opportunity to take a long trade. And in this case, the first target will be around 30.80. As you can see, price hit my first target in this instrument too. Well, right now let's move on for today's ideas. In euro dollar, I'll expect with the price going a little bit up until 1.1240, and then reversal model on this important resistance level will be nice opportunity to take a short trade, and your first target, and also my first target, will be around 1.1160 in this case. Another currency pair, this is the pound USD. If you look at the pound USD on a higher time frame like H4 time frame, you can see here important resistance level around 1.26. That's why it pretty depends on how price will react to this level. I mean, if price, let's go into the lower time frame like H4 in this case. If price going inside of this level and form reversal model here and reversal pattern here, it will be nice opportunity to take a short trade, and your first target in this case will be around 1.25. The same if price break this level with an impulsive, it will be nice opportunity to take a long, and your first target in this case will be around 1.27. But honestly, I'm more bearish in pound USD on this trading session. That's why I more expect the price falling down until 1.25. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar, I'm also pretty bullish in Canadian dollar right now. I expect with the price, if price with an impulsive breakout of this consolidation, it will be great opportunity to take a long, and your first target will be around 1.36 in this case. Also, I expect some sort of false breakout of this micro consolidation, and when price forms false breakout of this micro consolidation, it will be nice opportunity to take a long trade. The first target will be in same position around 1.36. Another currency pair is the Australian dollar. Look on a daily frame. On a daily frame, here we have important disbalance level around 0.69. Right now, price try to form some sort of false breakout of this important level. This is very bearish signal. That's why we have to go in on a lower time frame, like in this case H1 time frame. And if price hold below this level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short trade. Your first target in this case will be 0.67, and the second target in this case. But yeah, better say first target will be around 0.67. This is enough. Gold. Try to look on gold on a daily frame. We have a very important support level around 1680. Then if we go into the lower time frame like H4 in this case, we have important support around 1700. Also important support around 1715. That's why this is pretty depends on how price will react on this level. I mean, if we can see a reversal pattern in this level, it will be nice opportunity to take a long short. If first target will be around 1730. And the same if price was an impulsive from breakout of this level, pullback, reversal model, fractal, I mean, will be nice opportunity to take a short. Your first target in this case will be around 1700. This is important support level. Another instrument is oil. In oil is very clear and simple idea. I expect, let me open. I expect pullback from the current price until 36.50 or 36.20. This is the price zone between 36.50 or 36.20. S&P 500 and S&P 500. Let's look on a higher time frame, like in this case daily. Now daily we can see important resistance level around 3,100, and that's why. Let's go into the lower time frame in this case. Yeah, on the lower time frame we can see some sort of reversal model from around this place. Would be better if we wait. If you wait when the market is open, and when the market is open, I will wait some sort of reversal model. Will be nice opportunity to take a short trade. In this case, my first target will be around 3060 in S&P 500. Well, guys, this is all for today. I think this idea will help you to make money on the next trading session. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.